children, today we are going to revise our lesson number 6, My Body. Before going to start the lesson, let me explain you about our body. Our body is like a small machine, but it is a living and thinking machine. Dear students, do you know that our body is made up of different parts which work together to keep us alive? So students, now I will explain you that our body has different types of organs: external organs, internal organs and sense organs. Dear students, do you know that all these work together so that we can do our daily activities? Firstly, I will explain you external organs. Our body is made up of many parts or organs. Some parts can be seen by us and are called external organs. Parts of our body, such as the head, neck, hands, and legs, are some of our external organs. So, student, external. External means something which lies outside. Organ means body part. Our external organ help us to do many different things. Our legs help us to walk, our hands help us to write, hold things, make things, etc. So, I hope you have understood the external organs. The second one is internal organs. Some body parts are inside our body and cannot be seen by us. They are called internal organs. The heart, lungs, brain, and stomach are some of the internal organs. So, the students, internal means something that lies internally. Organs mean body part. So, the body part which lies inside our body, they are known as internal organs. Let me explain you the function of brain. The brain controls our body. It helps us to think, learn and remember things. It also helps us to do various activities. Number 2, heart. If you place your hand on the left part of your chest, you will feel something beating. It is the heart. It pumps blood to all parts of your body. So students, take your left hand and keep it on the side of your chest. Can you feel something? Yes, you can feel your heartbeat. Yes students, this is your heart beating. Heart pumps blood to all parts of our body. The third one is lungs. We have 2 lungs. They help us to breathe. It lies in the chest with our heart. Lung help us to breathe. They fill up with air which we breathe in. Number 4, stomach. The food that we eat goes inside a bag-like organ called the stomach. The stomach helps us to digest the food. I hope you have understood the internal organs. Now, the third one is sense organs. Parts of the body that help us to feel the world around us are called sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. Dear students, I know you have already read about this in class 1. We have 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. They help us to see, hear, smell, taste and touch. First, eyes. Our eyes help us to see different things. We have 2 eyes. Number 2, ears. Our ears help us to hear sounds. The sounds may be loud or soft, high or low, pleasant or unpleasant. Number 3, nose. Our nose helps us to smell things. Some things have a sweet smell while some have a bad smell. We also breathe with the help of our nose. Number 4, tongue. Tongue helps us to taste things. It enables us to know what is sweet and salty. Number 5, skin. Things can be cold, hot, rough, smooth, hard, soft, or sharp. The skin helps us to touch and feel them. Our body is covered with a layer of skin. The skin also protects our body parts. The skin is the largest organ in our body. The points to be remembered. Our body has a different types of organs: external organs, internal organs, and sense organ. The body part which we can see are called external organs. The organs which are inside our body and which we cannot see are called internal organs. So, we have 5 sense organ: the eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. I hope you have understood all of this. Thank you.